So you want to turn your AirPlay on or off on your HiSense Roku TV for mirroring your Apple devices. So in this video, I will show you where to find the AirPlay settings and how to quickly enable or disable it whenever you need. So first, from your home screen, just go to settings and scroll down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Now open AirPlay and you will see the AirPlay logo first. And now from this page, you have to select AirPlay option at the top and turn it on. And then you can easily mirror your Apple device. So just quickly open screen mirroring or AirPlay on your Apple device and select your Hisense Roku TV from the list. So now your screen should start mirroring right away. But if AirPlay still isn't working properly on your TV, don't worry, just check out our dedicated video where we show a few quick fixes for AirPlay connection problems. And that's it. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix269 till the end.